Forgotten username recovery failed on VentureFounders Fix. If you've tried to recover your VentureFounders username and keep running into errors, you're not alone. Many investors face this issue, especially since VentureFounders underwent major changes in recent years. But the good news is, there's a clear path to get your access restored. Here's the surprising truth: the old VentureFounders login and recovery systems no longer function the way they used to. That's because the company's investment operations were integrated with other platforms after VentureFounders services were restructured. So when you try to use the forgot username link, the request doesn't connect to any active database, which makes it look like your account has disappeared. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, don't keep retrying the username recovery form. It won't work anymore. Instead, check your email inbox for messages from VentureFounders. Look for investment confirmations or newsletters. Those emails will contain your registered email address or account reference details. Second, try logging in using that same email address instead of a username. Many migrated accounts were updated to use email-only login credentials. Third, if your login still fails, contact the VentureFounders support team directly or reach out to the successor platform managing your investments. Provide your full name, registered email, and if possible, the name of a company you invested in. That information helps them verify your account faster. Most people get this wrong by assuming their username is lost forever, but the reality is that the username recovery tool is simply outdated. Your data and investment records still exist, they just live in a new system. With a quick email to support and the right details, you'll be able to restore access or get clear guidance on where your account now resides. So don't worry, your investments are safe. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll get your VentureFounders access sorted out once and for all.